Taliban captured three most Afghan provincial capital in a day. The armed group says its forces are in control of Kunduz, Saripul, and Talukan as fighting rages in Afghanistan cities. The Taliban has captured three more provincial capitals as they take their fight to the cities after seizing much of the countryside in a recent month. The group has seized five provincial capitals in Afghanistan since Friday in a lightning offensive that appears to have besieged government forces. Kunduz, Saripul, and Talukan in the north fell within hours of each other on Sunday, the Taliban and official in the cities confirmed. A Taliban statement on Sunday said it has captured the police headquarters, the governor's compound, and the prison in the strategic northeastern city of Kunduz. Local sources and journalists in Kunduz confirmed to Al Jazeera that Taliban fighters are present in the capital. Armuddin Wali, a member of Kunduz Provincial Assembly, said heavy clashes started yesterday afternoon. All government headquarters are in control of the Taliban. Only the army base and the airport is with ANDSF, Afghan security forces, from where they are resisting the Taliban. Health officials in Kunduz said 14 bodies, including those of women and children, and more than 30 injured people have been taken to hospital. A doctor told Al Jazeera from a Kunduz hospital, "We don't know what's going on outside because all our efforts and attention is on the patient coming in." In a statement on Sunday, the Taliban said its fighters have also captured the city of Saripul, the main city of the northern provincial of Saripul. Muhammad Noor Rahmani, a provincial council member of Saripul province, told Reuters news agency the group has taken government buildings in the northern provincial capital, driving officials out of the main city to a nearby military base. Parvina Azimi, a women rights activist in Saripul, told the AFP news agency by phone that the government official and the remaining forces had retreated to an army barracks about 3 kilometers from the city. The Taliban had the compound surrounded. Mohammad Hussain Mujahid-Zada, a member of the provincial council, told AFP. On Sunday evening, the Taliban said on Twitter that it had taken Talukan, the capital of Takhar province. Talukan resident Zabiullah Hamedi told AFP that he saw security forces and officials leave the city in a convoy of vehicles. A security source told AFP, "We retreated from the city this afternoon after the government failed to send help. The city is unfortunately fully in Taliban hands."